So today I want to teach you a little bit about the notes and how we call the notes. Okay, Lara, we are now on the 10th lesson. So we have the musical alphabet, yeah?
Yeah.
We talked about it a little bit, but now we are going to go a little bit more in depth because we have the notes here, right? And we have all the keys, but also we can read the notes. Yeah, so just exactly like a language, we can just speak the language, hear the language, but also we can read it. Yeah, so we have notation for every note, and this is how we are going to call it. I will show you all the alphabet, yeah? So it starts from A, which is here, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it's a little bit different than the normal alphabet because it goes again from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we have 7 notes, which are exactly like the 7 colors of the rainbow, right? So it's easy to remember that. So I will also explain to you a little bit about the geography of the piano, right? So in the left side of the 2 black keys, we have the note C.
Okay.
Now, this is a good staple to remember, yeah? And you already know the C position, which is here. This is the C position, right? And then we have another big staple, which is in the left side of the 3 black keys, which is F position.
Okay.
Yeah? I want you to find all the F positions, okay?
F, F,
Yes.
F, 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 F.
Perfect.
C, 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 C.
So, I love that you went extra mile and you did the Fs and the Cs.
Yes.
Okay, now we are going to go on the other side of the 2 black keys and the other side of the 3 black keys. So in the other side, on the right one, we have the note E.
Okay.
Yeah? So find for me all the notes E.
E, 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 E.
Very nice. Now, let's put a little bit extra effort into let's play C and E at the same time.
Okay.
Very nice. Okay, try not to go out of the position, Lara. So we have the position. Yes. Yes. The position is very important when we play the piano. We don't play like this. We don't play like this. This is the position because it's the optimal one. Okay. Now, another staple that we have, it's the B note. But it's very easy to find because it's on the right side of the 3 black keys and also in the left side of C.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Find for me all of them.
B.
All the B notes.
B.
Yeah.
B. 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 B.
Okay. All right. So how many notes we know so far?
C, D, E.
Then we have another staple
F,
in the left.
G.
A and B. Okay, so we know the note C, the note E, the note F, and the note B. Okay, shall I make a test for you now? Okay, you try it first and I'll do the test for you.
Okay.
So C,
C, D, E, F,
F,
G.
G, and then
A, B,
That's
C,
it.
D,
That's it.
E, F.
Exactly. Okay, now I'm gonna touch different notes.
Okay.
Just to
I'm
test
ready.
you. Okay, so what note is this?
A. Oh, no, it's not A.
Take your time. What note is this?
C.
Yeah,
D,
that's the
E.
confusion. That's the confusion because the
I lost a bit.
musical. No worries. It's completely normal because the musical alphabet starts from C because this is our staple, and this C it's most important than every other C because it's called the middle C. So why it's called the middle C? Because it splits the keyboard exactly in the middle. So mostly in the right side of the C, we are going to play with the right hand, the right side of the keyboard. And in the left side, yes, we're going to play with the left.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the C, and this is the first note that we ever learn in music. And this is from where it starts, the musical alphabet. Yeah, so that's the C. Okay, I'm going to touch another note. And let's see if you remember what note is that.
E.
Very good. What about this one?
C.
Which C is this one?
C.
Is the middle C or is the higher C or the lower C?
The middle.
Yes, exactly, because it's in the middle of the keyboard. Okay, what about this one? What
C.
note? C, very good. What about this? C, D, E,
F.
F. Okay? So,
okay, it's easy anyway.
yeah, so we have the C, the staple of the C, the E, the F, and the V.
Okay.
Okay. With the notes that we've learned, yeah, the F note, the B note, C, and E. Okay. Let's try and play a very easy song.
Okay.
So we take finger 1 on E and finger 4 on B.
Okay.
Yeah? And we alternate between 1 and 4. To keep on going with these two fingers and try to keep the same rhythm for a long time. And I'm gonna play for you the left hand.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So see how with two notes you can create a beautiful song.
It's really beautiful.
Now we are gonna create one with the left hand. Okay?
Okay.
So we are gonna take the note C and F. Okay? 4 on the C and 1 on the F. So instead of playing them alternating, we are gonna try and play them at the same time. Yeah? A little bit more challenging. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna start. You continue and I'm gonna start.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. So see how with few notes we can create such beautiful melodies. So once you get really comfortable with all the notes, with the alphabet, with the geography of the piano, with understanding where are the 3 black keys, what are the 2 black keys, where you can find each note, you're going to be able actually to create your own song.
That's
okay,
great.
So thank you so much. It's been really a pleasure to teach you. And
my pleasure too.
And we are done with our last session, the 10th session of CASIO Piano Series. Thank you so much.